Happy Saturday, back on the camera vibes. I have had a lot going on today. I have 2 or 3 deals to close today, and I called her a little later than anticipated, so she said call her back in a little bit. And I have my first meeting today with a client, like face-to-face. We're gonna do her life insurance policy, so I'm also recording some Instagram content as well, and I'm very excited to do this. So I'm gonna try to get some content while I'm there, probably on my phone like I said before, and I'm gonna get some work done, call some clients, and see what I can do to go ahead and be productive today.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm finally set on my drive.
Okay.
3.5-hour drive.
I got you. Get your driver's license number. All right, y'all. So, I am on the way to a meeting. So I was running around. I closed the deal, life insurance, and it ended right at 2, and I had to be out my house by 2:20. Had to shower, iron my suit, and all the things. So now I am on the way to the client's house. My head, I didn't shave for like 2 days, and my head is like breaking out like crazy. I'll be there at 2:58. Supposed to be there at 3, so I'm a little bit early, which is the goal. And so I'm gonna try to get some content before I go in. But it's a couple, older couple. They're looking to add about $500,000 of coverage, whole life coverage, and that's some really good premium. I'm gonna give them a few options as well, just so they know what they could get and what they, want to know their budget and things like that. So going there, and then I have some other events to go to that is non-work related, but I didn't bring any changing clothes, so I'll probably just pull up in a suit and then come back home, change, and then go out tonight because it is Saturday, so I want to enjoy the weekend. Just left the meeting. It was very good. I have to call the life insurance company on Monday for a few things. They have current policies they want to bring over to me, but new policies they're getting for 3 of their kids and a grandchild. So that'll be 5 policies altogether that I'll be closing on next week, which is really good. And I'm excited. I like meeting people face to face. I've not really done that before, but I wouldn't be opposed to dedicating Saturdays to meeting with people. So I'm definitely going to try to get into that space, especially during September, which is going to be my campaign. Super excited. Headed to lunch with a referral partner, so we're going to just kick it for a little bit, catch up, and she's a good friend. All right, I'm back home. Went to have lunch with my friend, as you saw, and I have some emails to send out to the client. It is Saturday, so I'm not trying to work the whole day, but I will be back at it again tomorrow to close the deal and then to get some other things together. So, and hopefully some content as well. So we are almost through the week. A few more things. Good morning. Happy Friday. I thought the last clips was going to be long enough for one video. Then I looked at it and I'm like, I didn't really record much. So I am recording my day today. It is Friday. I had a great night last night. I went to an exclusive VIP preview party for this restaurant that's opening up in Charlotte, and it was amazing. They served us wine, hors d'oeuvres, drinks. It was a great time, and I went with one of my friends. She's an influencer, and it was a great time. It was a really good time. It's 8:50 in the morning. I have to call a client to hopefully close this deal for life insurance, so we will see shortly if that's what this is. And then I have a few emails as well for quotes. I have 2 people that sent me their home and auto insurance and want to see if I could save them money, so I am going to work on that as well. I'm also going to one of my friends' jobs today. He's in digital marketing and he's helping me launch a few things for my business, so I'll try to vlog there as well. This meeting hopefully won't take longer than an hour. Shouldn't even take that long, honestly. And then I will get dressed and then head over there. It's like a 40-minute drive. So I have to be there at 11. So I'm gonna get set up for this meeting and then I'll check back in once she's on the phone.
Oh, well, how are you?
I'm doing well, doing well. Wanted to reach out to you. I know you told me to call you between 8:30 and 9. Just wanted to follow up with
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
You looking at the 50,000?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Did you want to go ahead and do that application now?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, it won't take too long. Let me pull that information up. All right, perfect. So I'm going to submit this, and then it usually takes a few days for me to hear from underwriting and get everything updated. But I will keep you updated and send you texts as I get notifications from them.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Let's go! It's not even 10 a.m. and we closing deals around here, baby. I'm going to notate all this, find some clothes to wear, and head out. I'm kind of hungry too. Need to get my car washed. It's a lot of things I gotta do, but one thing at a time. Good morning. Good morning. This is like a week or so after the last clip that you guys have seen from me. I've been just so busy, and I said, you know what, let me pick up the camera and record. I haven't been doing a great job of vlogging day to day. I've just been so busy with launching my campaign, with getting new deals, working on a new marketing plan, revamping my website with my web designer, working on some other things, some events. It's a lot going on, and I'm very grateful. So what I've done so far this morning is 2 of my life insurance deals were approved. Not only were they approved, but they were approved less, or they got more money for the same amount of premium they're paying. They got a higher death benefit, if you will. So I text both of those clients, and it's funny enough, they both have the same first name. Text both of them, they were over the moon, happy, and just thankful that I was able to help them out. And I'm thankful that I was able to get it through so easy. One policy, whole life insurance policy, was approved in 2 days. So that's really good. Just getting back in the swing of just going really hard with life insurance. As I've been saying, next month, September, hopefully you'll see this video before then, but September is National Life Insurance Awareness Month, and the campaign is about to be sick. Like, this campaign is my first one. The pictures are fire. The raffles, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing two raffles. I'm doing a giveaway with this huge company that I partnered with. It's a lot of cool things going on, and my biggest thing is doing something that no one else is doing. And I had to step out the box a little bit to do something even a little more different than what I've been doing, because I've been in the suits and the photo shoots, but this is nothing like that, and I'm very excited for you all to see it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, KennyJTV, that's where all the content's gonna be going. And probably Facebook, and I'm going to try to post some up here as well. I don't know what that looks like on YouTube, maybe just talking about life insurance or how I've been successful. You guys let me know what you want to see regarding that. I'm very excited for that. Right now, I'm about to call a client and let her know that we received everything for her life insurance. All we need, we're waiting on an attending physician statement. I hate it. I hate those, bro, because they take forever. I have one now. It's been 2 months and we're still waiting, and they say they have another like 15 days to get it to us. It's like one document.
Hello?
Hey, Kenny, how you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. So I did speak with the life insurance company today. Everything has came in. All they're waiting on is for your physician to send over what's called an attending physician statement with all your medical records. But everything else has been received. It's nothing you need to do on your end, but I will say that the attending physician statement sometimes can take a while because the doctor's office like to drag their feet a little bit. So I'll be on top of it weekly, and I'll send you updates to let you know where it's at. But it may be some weeks that it hasn't even moved at all, and it's kind of in the same spot.
Gotcha.
All right.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good one.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye. So that client has been declined life insurance due to some health issues that aren't serious, but they could be more serious, but they're not, and she's pretty healthy, so hopefully we're able to get her approved. And she was adamant about having whole life with living benefits. If she's over a certain rating, she can't get it. If she's under that rating, then she can get it. So hopefully everything will go according to plan, but I'm gonna just notate that in my system and then follow up within a week to get everything approved. Right now, I'm going through a few renewals. I've been getting a lot of renewals in, which is another great thing about being in insurance. I'm approaching 3 years very shortly, and just the renewals that are compounding, the money I'm making is compounding, the residual income. Of course, everybody's policies are increasing, but this one, thank God, did not increase a lot. It didn't even increase $100 a year. So what I usually do is I'll like do the math. So it increased about $5.96 a month. And there's nothing that she needs to do because it's escrowed in. So I'm gonna give her a call and let her know that her renewal is coming up and there's nothing that she needs to do. These are my favorite because it's like I'm gonna get paid on it again. With this carrier, I wrote a ton of business last year during this month and last month, and it's showing because these residuals are coming in like crazy. And if she doesn't answer, I'll just leave a voicemail. She's not gonna answer. I'm gonna leave a voicemail, but I'm gonna do it off camera. So I'll check in with y'all a little later. And a lot of times with the homeowner's insurance, I'll leave a message, send a text. Sometimes they'll reply and say thank you. And then if not, they'll just not reply at all and be good with the renewal because it is escrowed in. So it's an easier process to just have it renewed. But I always love to call, see if they have any questions. But a lot of times they're good with it and just say, okay. Calling a State Farm agent, he just DM'd me on Facebook and said, hey, can you call me? Of course I can call you. Of course. Hey, Mr. Anthony, it's Kenny. How you doing? All right, sounds like a plan. And thank you again. All right, bye. So that was a State Farm agent that I literally met with a week ago, sending me a deal. He just has to check a few things and then sending it my way. We love referrals. We love referrals. And I have my earphones in. Like, I really want you guys to hear these calls, but it's like echoey. And I don't want them to feel like they can't hear me. I was just trying to reinstate this policy for this client, but it's past the date of being able to be reinstated. So I need to call the carrier to see, do I need to rewrite it or is he just ineligible through them? I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. I was on lunch, got a quick referral from an insurance agent. The person's looking for, it's a residential business and they're looking for, what are they looking for? It's a cleaning business and they're looking for business insurance. So I'm just sending that, sending that to my processor to get a quote. So then when I get back from lunch, I will have that information. Boom. So just got off the phone with the referral. It was a realtor sent me someone that's buying a new construction home in Charlotte. It is a beautiful home. She said, so-and-so sent me over and I want to get a quote. This is someone that I met at a networking event and we've been doing business ever since. Networking events are so important. We don't do, I'll say consistent deals monthly, but she'll send me deals here and there. And I have a lot of people that do that are just sending me deals here and there where it almost makes it consistent. So I'm gonna work on this and I have to call a client or a prospect in 10 minutes to hopefully close the life insurance deal. So I'm gonna put her in my system and then start that quote. So just finished closing a life insurance deal, was able to get that on, and now I am documenting everything, typing everything in. It's been a really great month with life insurance and just insurance in general. I have some other deals that I'm working on that I'm closing this month as well as next month. I'm filling my calendar up for next month as well, and I couldn't be more grateful for that. So now I'm just going to finish off the day doing pretty much admin work, quoting, and working a little bit on my campaign as well. So it's nothing really exciting going on. So I'm going to finish the video right here. If you've made it this far in the video, what is your favorite part about working in the insurance industry? And if you're looking at getting into the industry, what is something that you're looking forward to? I cannot wait to read the comments and see what you guys put. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.